To create a new user, click on Admin at the top blue menu. Click on Manage Users. When you get to this screen, click on Add New User. If it's a provider or therapist or doctor, chiropractor, first thing you want to do is select Provider. This window will pop up where you can search the national database by NPI, first name and last name, or city and state. If it's an organization, select Organization, and this will pop up the provider or organization. Otherwise, if it's a regular user, click on Other. Here, make sure you fill out the right information for the user in case they forget their password, they can reset it. You're going to need their last name and first name, their gender and date of birth. And if you notice, some of these fields have a star, which are mandatory. So address, zip code, city, and state are mandatory. Mobile phone number, work phone number, extension, and email are also mandatory at times. Here you're going to select the person's ID or login ID and then the role. Right now, by default, you have one role. You can set up as many roles as you want. So front desk, the biller is going to have a role, the therapist can have another role, the doctors can have another role, depending on the visibility you want to set them on. And here's where you're going to select whether they're administrators or not. You can also give them access to the kiosk here. Now, if you have multiple locations, this is where you would give them access to the locations. And if you're a physician who needs to prescribe medication, this is where you add the doctor as the physician. Or if it's an administrator that likes to prescribe medication to the pharmacy, this is where you would add it. Other than that, hit save and new if you want to add a new one, or save and close if you're done.